Side in Institute. We continue answering question 3, tutorial sheet 2, physics 101. Alright, so the question reads, a vector A has components. X component is equal to negative 5.00 meters, and the Y component is equal to 9 meters. Then I've been asked to find the magnitude and the direction of vector A. So these are the questions you are going to find in your exams. Alright, so let's go step by step answering this question. Alright, so the magnitude of a vector, in this case we have vector A. Alright, so it is given by the square root of x component squared plus y component squared. Alright, so in this case we have been given the x component to be negative 5, so we have negative 5 squared plus 9 squared. Okay, so this, you need to put this in your calculator. You do this first, okay, but to avoid the computation errors, you can say 5 squared will have 25, then 9 squared will have 81. Alright, adding the two, we are going to have 25 plus 81, we have 10106, and the square root of this, when we answer, our answer should be to 3 significant figures. You can see that our components are in 3 significant figures, so we are going to have 10.3, okay, 10.33. Alright, so it is in meters. Alright, where it is in meters. So this is the magnitude of vector A. Very simple. So you need just to know this formula. Alright, now we are also asked, this is A. What about B? B is asking us now to find the direction. Alright, so to find the direction of a vector is denoted as theta. Okay, it is given as, because we say theta is equal to tan inverse of the y component of a vector over the x component of a vector. Alright, like this. What are we going to do now? What are we going to do? We say tan inverse. Alright, here we are going to put all positives. Okay, we are going to say 9 over 5. We are going to ignore the negative. Alright, so what we need to do now, what we need to do next, we are going to say tan inverse of 9 over 5 is actually, it is giving us 60.9. Alright, 60.9 degrees. But we know that our x component is negative and our y component is positive. So this is what? This is in which quadrant? Okay, it is in our second quadrant. It is in our second quadrant where x is positive. Okay, y is x is negative. This is x is negative and y is positive. It is in our second quadrant. Okay, but what do we do in our second quadrant? The angle which we found must be subtracted by, we must subtract the angle from 180, that is in the second quadrant. Okay, so I'm going to say that now our direction will be 180 degrees minus 60.9 degrees. All right, so we're going to get 180 degrees minus 60.9. We are going to get, we'll punch that on your calculator, we're going to get 119.1 degree. So this is what, this is the direction we've been asked. So this is how you can handle this question step by step without finding any difficulties. All right, so if you find the video help, please consider subscribing to the channel. You hit the notification button so that you may not miss out new uploaded videos. So we'll continue answering the following questions in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.